Today, we are taking a practical look at how to find, lock, or erase a lost Android phone with Find Hub. Goal: use Google's Find Hub features to locate a missing Android device, make it ring, secure it, or erase it when recovery is no longer realistic. The most important decisions are made before the phone is lost. The correct Google account must be signed in, device finding features must be enabled, and you must know how remote erase affects future tracking. From another trusted device, open Google Find Hub and sign in to the Google account used on the lost phone. Select the correct device. Check the location's status and last seen information. Use play sound if the phone may be nearby. Use the secure lock option if the phone is genuinely lost. Erase the device only when the data risk outweighs the chance of recovery and you understand that tracking afterward may be limited or unavailable. Expected result: you take the least destructive action that protects the device and account while preserving the best chance of recovery. The phone is associated with your Google account. Find Hub device finding features are enabled as supported by the device. The phone has power and some way to communicate or supports applicable offline finding features. You can sign in to the Google account from another device. Sign in only from a trusted computer or phone. If the missing device may have been stolen and was unlocked, review your Google account security, active sessions, password manager exposure, payment apps, and carrier account. Do not share one-time verification codes with anyone claiming they found the phone. A location can be current, approximate, or based on a recent offline observation depending on device state and supported features. Treat it as a lead, not permission to confront someone. If the phone appears to be in an unsafe or private location, provide the information to local authorities or your carrier rather than attempting recovery yourself. Before erasing, consider whether important data is already backed up and whether continued location updates are useful. Once the erase command is executed and the device processes it, local data is removed and the device may no longer be trackable through the same mechanism. A powered-off or offline phone may process the command only when it reconnects. If the device is stolen, contact the mobile carrier to protect the SIM eSIM and account. The carrier can explain number transfer, SIM suspension, and device blocking options that apply in your country. Changing or suspending service is separate from Google account device controls. While you still have the phone, open Find Hub from another device and verify that the correct model appears. Do not erase or lock it as a test. Confirm account recovery methods, location device finding settings, and backup status. This 5-minute check is far more useful than discovering missing permissions after the phone is gone. Device does not appear. Verify you are using the same Google account and that the device supported enabled the finding service. Location is old. The phone may be offline, powered off, out of coverage, or unable to provide a newer observation. Phone was factory reset by someone else. Anti-theft account protections may still apply, but your remote control options can change. You cannot receive 2FA because the phone is missing. Use previously configured recovery codes or another factor. Do not travel to a suspected thief's location alone. Never share your Google password, screen lock, or verification code with a stranger. Do not click device found links sent by unknown SMS email. Open Find Hub yourself. Preserve screenshots of location status if needed for a police or insurance report. Capabilities depend on device state and supported offline finding features. Check Google's current documentation for your model and account. It erases data on the device. Content already stored in your cloud account remains governed by that cloud service. If you believe account access is at risk, secure the account promptly. Consider how sign-out security changes could affect the lost device's ability to report before taking actions, and follow Google's security guidance. Finding a phone on a map is only one part of the incident. If theft is plausible, lock it remotely, add safe contact information to the lock screen when supported, and protect the account that controls the device finding service. Confirm that important data is backed up and that you still have access to the Google account recovery methods needed to activate a replacement device. Check for carrier SIM changes and unusual account recovery activity. Account and carrier security reviewed. Erase used only as a deliberate last step. The key principle: the strongest lost phone plan is prepared before the loss. Backups, account recovery, Find Hub, and carrier access. For more details, read the complete article on the blog.